Initiating. Edge detection active. Round and round. Round and round. Plywood surface detected. 2,000 holes. Chad removal protocol. Falling the edge sensor active. No falling today. Call on 100. Hold 500. Hold 1,000. Hold 1,500. Almost there. Edge detection. Never failing. 2,000 holes. Mission completing. Autonomy achieved. Task successful. Recalibrating. Recalibrating. Round and round the sheet. Ricky's just watching. No hands needed. Edge sensors working. Final quadrant. Nice 200 holes. Almost complete. Edge detection. Perfect. Never fell once. 2,000 holes.